Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've made any videos for the channel. I've been busy with cricket, busy with work, and I haven't got much time to ride my bike, but I've done a couple of rides so far, and I've got something interesting to show you today. I've got a new handlebar bag set up on my bike to carry all my supplies when I go out on longer rides, so I can carry my spares, my food, my camera, my phone, everything in one bag, so I don't have to bog down on my jersey pockets. I'll turn it around and show you how it looks. So that's the WizardWorks handlebar bag. It's called the LIL Presto. This is made of 1000D Cordura. It's waterproof, and it's 2.15 liters in capacity. It's got two side pockets, one on here and one on the other side. So I've currently got my tie levers on one side and my puncture repair patches on the other, and inside it's quite deep. So I've got banana, sneakers, bar, spare tubes. I've got a mask. I've got more space to put some more arm warmers, leg warmers, a raincoat or a wind gilet or something like that. It's got more than enough space in there. I can even put a drone. It's quite big. That's great, and it's held up securely by two straps. It comes with the product. You don't have to buy it separately, but if you want more, you can buy from their own website. Initially it comes only with two of these straps, and you also get a bungee cord. You can secure it to your stem, but I didn't want to do that. This is more than enough. It doesn't rattle when you're riding, even on rough terrain. This is a well-made bag. A bit expensive, but it does the job really well. There are other options in the market from local manufacturers in the UK. One is from Restrap. I think that's called the canister bag. That retails to 50 quid, I think. This was 10 quid more, but the capacity is higher on this one, so you can carry more stuff with you. So far I'm really happy with this product. And there are more color options. This is the olive colorway, and then there's flatter, black, rust, and you can also design your own bag using different colors. Designer version will cost you 10 or 15 quid more. Depends on where you're buying it from. So I'll just quickly show you how the zipper works. So it's got pull tabs on both the sides, one here and one there, so it's easy to open and close the zipper on the fly, like so. So that's quite easy to do that, and so it's got two straps or loops, so you can pass through the securing straps through them and put it to your liking wherever you want to. Some people like it facing that way up, but I prefer it facing forward. It depends on the user. So I'm now going to show you how to open and close the bag on the fly while you're riding. So you can just access the bag whenever you want to take something out. That's how easy it is to access the bag while you're riding. Right, my initial impressions on this bag. This is solid, really well made. It's got a inner shell which gives it the shape. It doesn't lose its shape even after quite a prolonged use, so that's quite good. Only time will tell how this bag holds up in the weather. I've got a few more rides coming up the next week or so. I'll keep you posted. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to see more content like this. It will really help me put out more content in the future. So if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later.